Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module number MECH underscore P underscore 027 underscore Rajnik Holiday Journal Walker. Statement: gold, which has a density of 19.32 gram per centimeter, is the most ductile metal and can be pressed into a thin leaf or drawn out into a long fiber. Okay, so dear students, here density of gold is given. Even if it is not given, it does not matter. Okay, because we have table of we have a table in the appendix of various books in which densities of various elements are given. Okay, so even if density of gold is not given, we can solve the problem quite easily. Okay, now the word ductile, which has nothing to do with our calculation, but it is important to understand its meaning. Yes, students, ductile, the term ductile may be treated as synonymous with the term not rigid. And we know that when anything is not rigid, it may be termed as flexible, elastic, that can be molded in different forms, that can be transformed into different forms. Okay, so due to its ductile nature, its two shapes have been discussed in this problem. Okay, one is in which it is pressed into a thin leaf, and the other in which it is drawn out into a long fiber. Okay, part A of this problem is, if a sample of gold with a mass of 27.63 gram is pressed into a leaf of 1.000 micrometer. Dear students, this symbol mu denotes micro, which is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter. Okay, 1 micrometer is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter. Okay, into a leaf of 1.000 micrometer thickness. What is the area of the leaf? Part A. Now part B. If instead gold is drawn out into a cylindrical fiber of radius 2.500 micrometer, what is the length of the fiber? Okay. Solution. Given data is density of gold, mass of sample of gold, thickness of gold leaf, radius of cylindrical fiber. Okay. Now we know that density, formula for density is the mass over volume. This implies that volume is equal to mass over rho, mass over density. Putting the values of mass and density, volume will become 27.63 gram over 19.32 gram per cubic centimeter, which will be alternatively equal to 1.43 cubic centimeter. Now in the next step, we are going to convert centimeter into meter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. Okay, so this will become equal to 1.43 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter whole cube. This will alternatively become equal to 1.43 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter cube. Okay, hence volume of leaf is equal to 1.43 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter cubic meter. Okay, dear students, here we have found volume of leaf. Our part A is yet not solved because we are concerned with finding out the area. We know that volume is a three-dimensional measurement. It is always expressed in cube. Okay? Sometimes in centimeter cube, sometimes in meter cube, sometimes in miles cube, sometimes in foot cube. Okay. While area is a two-dimensional quantity and is always expressed in square. Okay, meter square, centimeter square, etc. Now we know that volume is equal to area into thickness. Okay, volume three-dimensional, area two-dimensional, thickness one-dimensional. Okay, from this area will become equal to volume over thickness. Okay, and in the previous slide we have calculated volume and thickness is also given in the statement 1 micrometer. Okay, so one thing is given in the statement while other thing we have already calculated in the previous slide. So area will become equal to 1.43 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 cubic meter over 1 micrometer, which will be alternatively equal to 1.43 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter cube over 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter. Dear students, here 10 raised to the power minus 6 will be cancelled with 10 raised to the power minus 6. And simple m in the denominator will drop the power 3 in the numerator by 1. So area will become equal to 1.43 meter square. Okay, so this is the answer of our part A. Now we move on to part B. Part B, for cylinder, volume is equal to area into length. This implies that length is equal to volume over area. Volume we have calculated previously, so we have put the value of volume which we have already calculated, and area is equal to pi r square. We know that this is formula of area. Okay, so this will become equal to 1.43 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter cube over, we have here put the value of pi 3.14. It can be taken up to more places after decimal. Okay, but we have restricted ourselves to only 2 digits. Okay, 3.14. So 3.14 is the value of pi, and the next value of r is given in the statement 2.500 micrometer. Here we have multiplied it with the 10 raised to the power minus 6 and it has been converted into meter. Okay, in the statement radius is given in micrometer, but here we have converted this micrometer into meter. So length will become alternatively equal to 1.43 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter cube over 19.625 into 10 raised to the power minus 12 meter square. Okay, dear students, this 10 raised to the power minus 12 in the denominator will be shifted to numerator and its value will become 10 raised to the power plus 12. Okay, 10 raised to the power plus 12 will be multiplied with 10 raised to the power minus 6 and answer will become 10 raised to the power plus 6. Okay, So this will become alternatively equal to 0.07286 into 10 raised to the power 6 meter, which will be alternatively equal to 72.866 into 10 raised to the power 3 meter. Okay, and we know that 10 raised to power 3 is equal to kilo thousand. So here instead of meter we can use kilometer. If we use kilometer, then this 10 raised to the power 3 will be eliminated. Okay, so this result has become alternatively equal to 72.866 kilometer. And dear students, this is the solution of our part B. This is the end of our module. Okay, Allah Hafiz.